Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 31st October and Nifty is trading around 19,086. Okay, so as we expected, the minor wave 3 has been ended and price has been retracing in wave 4, and we expect one more dip to complete this 5-wave correction in this particular wave. Okay, in last week video, while the price started reversing from this zone, I said we need to watch the 4th wave correction. That is, it should be a 3-wave move mostly. Okay, and as we expected, it happened. As of now is a 3-wave move. It cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because this fall touches this level. So it is an ABC. So whether 4 completed or not, it's always tricky to decide because the wave 4s are mostly complex, time consuming, and it may take different patterns. I will show few examples now. So as a trader, as an Elliott wave trader in particular, we need to capture the 3rd wave and 5th wave. Okay, we need to wait in wave 4 until we get some confirmations. So what we can do here, see what are the clues we have to confirm it is wave 4 completed or not. I will show some probabilities. See, as we expected, it's a 3-wave move, right? I will mark here A, B, C. Okay. In C wave, in corrective patterns, the C wave may move minimum of 100% of wave A. We check that. So it crossed 100% but does not hold above that level. So okay, this is valid. So now retracement. The clue here is wave 2 is very simple wave and shallow. Okay, so we may expect a deep correction and also a possible complex in wave 4. So if you see, so wave 2, if you check this, the price has been moved beyond 38.2%, which may comes into the threshold of deep correction. Okay, usually 23 to 38%. Okay, 23 to 38% is a normal wave for correction. Anything beyond that is, we may treat it as deep correction. And but remember, the wave 4 can trade until the wave 1 low. Okay, until that level it can be treated as wave 4. That is what the rules suggest. But usually the wave 4 retraces in this zone. Okay, so the clue here is wave 2 is shallow, so wave 4 is deep. Yes, but wave 2 is very simple correction. It may turn to be a complex. Okay, so now it may still a possibility of reaching 50%. It may turn to be an A, B, C, D, E, a triangle here. So as said, 4th wave may take any shapes and patterns. It may turn to be a, for example, it may turn to be A, B, C, D, E, a triangle, or this entire A, B, C as A and a B and a C. So anything may possible in wave 4. This pattern, remember, I will discuss this pattern now in few minutes. Suppose if you think that wave 4 has been completed, to get confirmation, price should trade below the wave B. So this may confirm that this 4th has completed and 5th in process. Okay. So as of now, this is the update. Possibly one more high in Nifty and may come down. But if it takes more time, okay, for example, this turn to be A and B and again one more high. Okay, if this happens in coming days, I will show you another perspective. I remove this. Okay. See this. I'll go to a 4-hour chart. Okay. So this is what I said in yesterday's post, that in simple two charts expecting two options. For bullish, this should be a three-way move and price should trade above 19,850. This scenario, that is A, B, C, and a minor wave 4 we are in, and a 5 completes, and the price should trade above this level. Okay, 19,850 to confirm this option for bullish scenario. Okay. For bearish, this may form a 5-wave down. Okay, this is what we need to track. How the 5-wave may form. So this is 1, 2, 3, and this minor dip can be 3 and a 4. A bigger 4 may form still. Okay, a consolidation pattern for this week, and a 5 may go to the trend line. If this situation forms, this is a 5-wave decline, and that is the starting of a downtrend. Okay, then ABC and another 5-wave will break this trend line. This is what we expecting now. Have this in mind. If this goes like this, it takes much time here, A, B, and C. Okay, suppose this can turn to be a bearish case to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we need to wait for further confirmation. If the price comes now, yes, there's again the same option, A 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to wait. But for this week, the price turned to be sideways. This is probably a bigger fourth, because see this, if we take this entire retracement, the price is holding the 38% retracement of this one option of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If this price moves sideways like this, this may be a bigger 4. Okay, I'm just giving option. Until wave 4 completes, we cannot decide. So that is what I am trying to say. Okay, so this is in bigger time frame. We need to wait to see what will happen this week. This entire week is sideways. This is probably a bigger 4. If that is the case, we need to watch this level. The price should not trade in that level. The price should not trade in this zone, because a wave 4 should not trade in the wave 1 region. Okay, so now I'm removing this hourly chart. Our initial expectation is this is just a minor 4, and minor 4 as of now, it looks like a 3-wave completion, but still a possibility of one more high to the 50% retracement, which comes around 19,250. Okay, or if the price comes directly this level, if breaks, we can confirm a smaller time frame ABC has been completed and -5th in process. But it turns to be only A, B, and C. This takes a whole week, okay, to get consolidated. If this happens, we need to be careful that it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, why I am sharing these probabilities is I'm not sharing any trading ideas and no recommendations in market. As you all know that I'm sharing all this only for learning the Elliott wave. What are the probabilities and how we can think while applying these Elliott waves in our charts. That's the intention, right? Hope you're clear. So Bank Nifty, So 1, 2, 3 and the fourth wave reached 50%. But here the wave 2 is deep. Okay. So possibly the Bank Nifty wave 4 has been ended at this point. We need to see again if we take in longer time frame, 4-hour charts. See, this is the situation now. Okay, breakdown has been done and the price may even consolidate in this area. Okay, so as we say, minor wave 1, 2, 3, 4 has been completed possibly, and it may retrace, it may start its wave 5 down. Okay, or as per Nifty, it may be a complex and resume its downtrend. If that is the case, it may be in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are the probabilities now. So in Bank Nifty, actually it is broken down from the trend line or ending pattern. So this is the zone we should be watching out for, approximately 43,900. Also this level, this previous point. These are the important points in Elliott waves. Okay. So if it is 1, 2, 3, the 3 should go much below. Okay. So these are the options in hourly. So in hourly chart, if you see, this is 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and 5. This is what expectation now, and the fourth wave retraced 50%. Okay, but we need to confirm, means the B should be crossed. Until that we cannot decide it has been completed. We also check in minor time frames, but to me we need to wait in fourth wave, because fourth wave may take many shapes and patterns. It may be turned to be an complex pattern. That is, if you decide that ABC has been completed, this ABC can be turned to be a that is maybe W, and a X and a Y may resume. So to me, fourth wave may turn complex. So we need to get confirmation, then only we can proceed further. So these are the updates, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you understand the concepts. So these are not recommendations. These are shared only for the purpose of learning Elliott waves and the application of the Elliott wave theory in real-time charts. Kindly subscribe the channel for learning the Elliott waves in 100% practical approach. So thank you. Thanks for your support. Have a good day. Bye.